Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila. I am Anna Vanila and welcome to see this video. So I've got a new outfit which I've made myself. It's a pantyhose, so it's supposed to keep you warm around your neck, but it is in fact also a top, which I like to wear it like this, like so, with little bow, little tassels, and this outfit also has leggings, which I like to wear, beautiful socks, ornate socks, like so. And slippers. I haven't been online for a while because I was quite ill, so please excuse me if you've been waiting for this video for a very long time. But it doesn't matter, because from now on I promise to myself and to my fans around the world that I'm going to do more often videos and pictures, so stay tuned. My hair is quite long now, but I'm growing it even longer. I hope you like the idea that I'll have longer hair soon. So please write in the comment if you like it when I'm with short hair or longer hair, because I've got plenty of videos with lots of different styles. So I hope you can just encourage me to grow my hair, or maybe to cut my hair. Let's see. So please comment below and put likes to my videos. This is my little cat, the child of a family. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and see you soon in the next video. Love you. Bye.